Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to design a structure of G+3. We are going to design G+3. Just select the space. Now we are going to select the length unit which we need and the force unit, which is kilonewton. Just click on next. Just here you can see you have multiple things: add beam, add plate, add solid, open structure wizard, STAAD editor, open building planner mode. And if you need to edit the job information, you can edit the job information from here also. We are going with the default, that is the add beam. Just click on finish. Here you can see the interface of the STAAD Pro. This is the where we will design the structure. This is the default grid. We can, if we want to change, we can change the grid also. Now here we can see this is the interface. These are those isometric views, top view, other which we are looking. These are for the rotation up and down. These are for left and right. If you want to zoom the structure, you can zoom in and zoom out from here. Now we are going to create the first node of, just click on this, just first node is 0 0. Now we are going to design the structure for the, let's suppose the height for the structure is 3 meters and the length is for also the 3 meters. This is the first reason which I have created. Apart from this, just here from here, we are just creating a regular structure just to show how to assigning the beams, how to assign those things. So if we close this, you can find what we have created here. This is the top view. If you want to view from the front, you can view from the front. Let's suppose now we are going to make the structure. First we will translate it in the Z direction. Just click on this. If you translate in the Z direction for the diameter, because you can see from here, you can see this is Y, this is Z, and this is the X direction. Then now correct, if you just see here, you can see this is the X, Y, and Z direction. Now we are going to show how we can create this. Here you can see the, I'm going to do the transitional repeat for the Z direction. Just click on 3, just click on link step and click on OK. If you just see the structure in 3D, you can see the structure has been created. If you want to create multiple sides, you can also create. Just select the structure. You can see whole structure has been selected. Just go for the transitional repeat. If you need to if you need more space, then let's suppose we are creating a one more step at 2.5. Just click on link step and click on OK. You can just see there is a structure we have been created. Now we will remove the base from here, as we are supposed not to get this base right now. Just click on this and just delete all those physical beams. Now here let's delete this also. You can see I have deleted all those beams. Now let's suppose we are, as already said, we are going for the G+3. This is for my ground. Let's suppose we are going to assign the plate nodes over here. You can see that I have assigning the plate node over here for the different. This is a 4 plate node. If you want to do quadrilateral polygon, you can also do this here also. These are the fine meshing. Here you can see that I have provided the 4 noded plates over here. That will be easy for us for later, so that we can easily assign the plate thickness over here. If you can see later, we will show you. Here you can see that I have assigned all the plates. Let's suppose first we are going to select all those beams and just going for the transitional repeat at 3 meters, and the number of steps will be and 4. Let's suppose number of steps will be not 4, suppose 3. Just click on link steps and we should just go in the y-axis. Y-axis is the above axis. Just click on OK. You can see that our structure has been created. If you just rotate the structure, you can see from all the directions. Now here you can see, let's suppose we have assigned the plate over the first floor. So we have to assign those plates over all. Now we are going to select all those plates and same transitional repeat with the plate also in the y-axis for the 3 meter. Like this, I can just for this here is 3 spaces for the 3 meter and just link step and OK. Sorry, I have assigned the plate in x-axis. Just to do this again, transitional repeat for y-axis for the 3 meter, number of steps will be 3. Click on OK. Let me save the structure. Now here you can see that the plate has been assigned. If you select all those plates, you can see here are the plates. Let me assign the plate for those over here which has not allotted here. Just here is the transitional repeat for the plate. Number of steps is 3. Number of here is 3. Is on link. And now you can see in the whole structure I have the plates over here. Now after assigning the plates, now I will going to assign the properties for the beam, columns and the thickness for the, just click on define. For the column we are with the dimension for this is 0.35 and 0.40 for the column and it is 0.30 and this is 0.35 for the beam. Just click on add. After this, select the structure for the slab. You can thickness and providing 0.2 thickness. Click on add and close. First, we are going to use the thickness for the column. Just select all those beams parallel to the y-axis. Click on the sign. After that, just select the parallel beam parallel to the x-axis. Similarly, select the beam parallel to z-axis. This is the structure. All the beams have been selected. Just click on sign. This has been assigned. Here you can see the properties have been assigned. If you click on this, you can see the dimension, which is 2.5 and this is 0.30. Here you can see the properties for this. We have assigned it is 0.35. Then close this. Now we are going to select all those plates and we are going to assign the plate thickness. To select the plate and assign it to the selected plates. Here you can see in the 3D rendering view, you can see these are those columns, these are the beams, and here you can see all the plates has been assigned over here. After this, we will provide the support to the structure. For this, go to the front view and select all the nodes. First, create a support. We are providing in the fixed support. Just click on add. Select the nodes and assign it to the nodes. Here you can see that the support has been assigned to the structure. After this, just go on the load and definition. Here there are multiple options. If you want to define the vehicle definition, time history, wind, snow, seismic definitions, pushover definition. Here just go to the load case details, click on add. Here we are going to provide dead load. This is dead load. After this, I am going to provide the live load to the structure. Just click on add. Here you can see in the dead loop, click on new. Here just click on add. Here you can see just firstly add the cell weight in the minus y direction up, and in the live load we are going to assign the plate load, which is minus 30 kilonewton, and click on add. We are going to assign this to the view. Click on assign this to view. In the register, assigning to the selected plate. Click on. Here you can see that all the loads have been assigned over here. This is the structure. Now we see. Now we are going to assign the auto load combination as per the Indian standard. Let's click on Indian standard. This is the Java structure. Click on generate load. Here you can see different load combination has been generated over here, and just click on add. These are the different load conditions which has been added over here automatically. After this, just click on design portion. If you just want to design, just click on concrete design. Here for the concrete designing as per the Indian standard. Click on IS 456. Here just select the parameter which you need. Here we will go for the compressive strength and the yield strength. Click on OK. Just define those parameters. We are going to use M30. That's why it is 30,000 kilonewton per meter square. Similarly, this is 415. 000 kilometer, is SE 450. Just close this. Apart from this, we are going for design beam, design column, slab design, and quantity takeoff. Here we can see we have added which we need to then just go for assign to view. Similarly, this for assign to view. If we go for design wheel, assign to view. For design, just select beam parallel to X and beam parallel to Z, and assign to the selected beam. Similarly, in design column, just go for this beam parallel to Y axis and click on design to the selected beam. Here you can see we have assigned design beam, design column. After this design element, assigned to the select, all assigned to the beam. That's why it will assign to the plates, all the plates. Here you can see we have provided all the design, concrete design over here. After this, we are going to analyze this. Just click on analyze, click on all. It will give the static load, mode, shape. Click on add and close this. After this, go for analysis and then analysis, which will ask you to save the structure. And here you can see I have no errors. It has only 48 warnings. I will show you the warning and how to remove those warnings also. Here in this, you can find out all the warnings are related to the member having the same joint, and easy to remove those warnings from here. I will show you how. Apart from this, you can just see the loads which has been applied over here, reactions, and the concrete design over here. In the notes, you can find the concrete quantity which I have calculated over here. Now I will be showing you how to remove those warnings over here. For this, it is showing the duplicate nodes over here. Just go for this and check for duplicate members over here. Here you can see the list of those members which are duplicate in this structure. First, click on the structure, go for the merge, and only keep one. Just click OK and it's click OK. Do for this all the members we have to do this. Just click on this, and here you can see we are going to design all those duplicate beams. After this, when we run the analysis, you can find out there will be no warnings of this duplicate beams. This will take time because there are multiple members with the same warning. Here you can see all those duplicate beam has been merged. Now, if you just run the analysis again, just build the structure, you can see only 16 warnings related to different things. If you go to the warning section, you can find this is the length depth ratio for the member. Apart from this, there is no warning for the other things which we have seen earlier. These are the design, these are the requirement of how much spacing, how much concrete is to require, how much reinforcement is to be provided over here. Here you can see the shear design result of this. Now in the post processing, you can just see how the structure is behaving. Here you can see this is a displacement showing over here. If you just click on this axial force, you can see all the axial force in the x direction. If you want to see those axial force in y direction, these are the axial force over y direction. Apart from this, if you just see the shear force in z direction, you can see the shear force over the z direction. And similarly, if you want to see the moment, you can see the torsional moment over here. If you see the y, this is the moment, bending moment, and the bending moment in z direction. If you want to see the bending moment, you can see from here. And similarly, if you want to see the beam stress, you can see the beam stress over here. Similarly, in the direction, if you want to see how load is behaving over here, you can just similarly change from here which load you want to see from it. That's it. Thank you from That's it from this G+3 structure. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos, comment me. I can provide you different videos on different topics. Kindly subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.